1233, 4 years I worked hard, building the trains in the SP yard. As I sit here, my firebox is cold, but I sure have a story to be told. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see history. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. While the big steamers were racing down the track, I was building trains, pushing cars front and back. All day long down the track I would toil, 1233 with a tender filled with oil. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see history. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. I may be little and my wheels are small, I'm geared for power, hey, good call. I built the trains, headed across the nation. Now at Woodland Depot I'm under restoration. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see history. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. (1233) of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see me. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see history. 1233 of SP, come to Woodland Depot and see